Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of profitable and high-end decor design ideas from river-drifted wood or nature's discards. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The journey of profiting from nature's discards by creating high-end decor from river-drifted wood begins with a shift in perception, learning to see what many overlook as waste as refined material shaped by time itself. River-drifted wood is not ordinary timber. It is wood that has been softened, sculpted, and polished by flowing water, sun, and seasonal change, carrying with it a quiet elegance that cannot be manufactured. The reason this transformation holds such power is that nature has already done part of the design work, smoothing edges, revealing grain, and creating organic forms that feel both raw and sophisticated. When an eco-conscious maker approaches these pieces with intention, they are not competing with mass-produced decor, but offering something far rarer: furniture and decorative accents that feel alive, authentic, and deeply connected to place. This connection is precisely what modern, design-aware customers seek, making river-drifted wood an ideal foundation for high-end, profitable decor that aligns beauty with sustainability. Transforming river-drifted wood into covetable decor begins long before the workshop, at the riverbank itself, where discernment and respect for the environment guide every decision. The maker learns to identify pieces that have structural integrity despite their weathered appearance, understanding how water exposure affects density, strength, and long-term durability. Each chosen piece reflects balance, neither too fragile nor overly saturated, carrying a form that suggests potential rather than limitation. Ethical reclamation plays a crucial role in this process, as responsible harvesting ensures the ecosystem remains undisturbed while still allowing artisans to work with fallen or naturally displaced wood. This mindful sourcing becomes part of the product's story, adding value in the eyes of customers who care deeply about sustainability and responsible craftsmanship. The act of reclaiming river-drifted wood is not about extraction, but collaboration with nature, and that philosophy resonates throughout the finished work. Once brought into the studio, the real artistry begins through a slow, deliberate process that respects the wood's natural shape rather than forcing it into uniformity. Cleaning river-drifted wood is an act of preservation rather than erasure, removing debris and residue while retaining the smooth contours and textures shaped by water. Drying and stabilizing the wood requires patience, allowing it to acclimate gradually so that its strength is restored without compromising its character. This meticulous preparation is essential in transforming what appears fragile into a reliable material suitable for high-end decor. The maker's hands follow the wood's natural lines, enhancing curves, refining surfaces, and selectively smoothing areas while leaving others intentionally raw. This balance between refinement and restraint is what elevates river-drifted wood from found object to luxury decor, creating pieces that feel intentional rather than accidental. Designing with river-drifted wood requires a mindset that values collaboration over control. Instead of imposing rigid plans, the artisan allows each piece to dictate its own purpose, whether it becomes a sculptural centerpiece, a refined wall accent, or a functional yet artistic furnishing element. This approach results in decor that feels organic and one-of-a-kind, attributes that are highly prized in the luxury market. Customers drawn to these pieces are not looking for perfection in the conventional sense. They seek authenticity, movement, and subtle irregularities that signal a handcrafted origin. By pairing river-drifted wood with thoughtful finishes, complementary materials, and clean, modern design principles, the maker bridges the gap between natural form and contemporary interior aesthetics. The final result is decor that fits seamlessly into upscale spaces while standing apart as a statement of individuality and conscious living. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. The profitability of river-drifted wood decor lies in its rarity and narrative power. No two pieces can ever be replicated, which transforms each creation into a limited offering with inherent exclusivity. This uniqueness allows artisans to position their work within the high-end market, where customers are willing to invest in pieces that carry story, craftsmanship, and ethical value. The visible journey of the wood, from river to refined decor, becomes a compelling narrative that enhances perceived worth. When buyers understand that their decor was once shaped by flowing water and reclaimed through mindful craftsmanship, they form an emotional connection that goes beyond function or appearance. This emotional resonance is a powerful driver of both sales and brand loyalty, enabling eco-conscious craft ventures to thrive without relying on mass production. Sustainable woodworking techniques play a central role in elevating river-drifted wood into luxury decor while maintaining environmental integrity. The maker prioritizes minimal waste, designing around the natural form rather than cutting excessively, and using gentle finishing methods that enhance rather than conceal the wood's surface. These techniques align with modern values of sustainability and transparency, reinforcing the credibility of the brand. Customers increasingly seek assurance that their purchases reflect responsible choices, and river-drifted wood decor offers tangible proof of that commitment. The material itself becomes a symbol of renewal, demonstrating how overlooked resources can be transformed into objects of beauty and value without exploitation or excess. As an eco-conscious craft venture grows, river-drifted wood becomes more than a material, it becomes a signature. The artisan develops a recognizable style rooted in natural elegance, water-worn textures, and thoughtful design, allowing the brand to stand out in a crowded marketplace. This distinct identity attracts clients who appreciate slow design and intentional living, opening opportunities for commissions, collaborations, and premium placements in curated spaces. Over time, the business evolves into a model of sustainable profitability, where artistic integrity and financial success reinforce one another rather than compete. The use of nature's discards becomes a statement of values, signaling a commitment to creativity that honors the environment while meeting market demand. Ultimately, profiting from nature's discards through river-drifted wood decor is about redefining luxury itself. True luxury is no longer measured by excess or uniformity, but by authenticity, story, and mindful creation. By transforming water-smoothed wood into high-end decor, the artisan demonstrates that beauty can emerge from what the world has overlooked, and that sustainability can be a source of distinction rather than limitation. Each finished piece stands as proof that nature's discarded artistry, when met with vision and care, can become a lasting, profitable expression of design, responsibility, and refined taste. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable and high-end decor design ideas from river-drifted wood or nature's discards. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.